Today I'm going to show you how to find a word on a web page in Firefox quickly and easily. This is one of those simple browser tricks that can save you a lot of time when you're reading a long article, checking a document online, or trying to locate a specific name, phrase, or keyword on a busy web page. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tips. Now let's get into it. First, open Firefox and go to the website or web page where you want to search for a word. This can be any page on the internet, whether it's a news article, a blog post, a support page, or even a long list of text. Once the page is loaded, click anywhere on the web page so Firefox knows you want to search within that page. Next, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+F on Windows or Command+F on Mac. This opens the Find bar in Firefox. You'll usually see a small search box appear near the bottom of the browser window. In that box, type the word you're looking for. As soon as you start typing, Firefox will automatically highlight every matching word or phrase on the page. This makes it very easy to spot exactly where your search term appears. If there are multiple matches, use the up and down arrows in the Find bar to jump from one result to the next. This is really helpful when you want to move through each match one by one without scrolling manually. You can keep pressing the arrows until you land on the exact section you need. If Firefox doesn't find anything, double check your spelling or try a slightly different word or phrase. Sometimes, the page may use a different variation, so changing your search term can help. And that's it. That's how to find a word on a web page in Firefox in just a few seconds. It's fast, simple, and perfect for saving time whenever you need to search through online content. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful browser tutorials and tech tips.